So wicked, man. You better take the phone them if you not trust me. So how you look for?
Chuck and I look for you now.
You're paranoid, you not kill it.
Curious. I have to make sure so them are clean, you know. Because I'm not taking no check.
So you find where you look for?
No fine, nothing.
Well, this is not play thing, man. This is for them clean, though.
Watch you, man. I need to see how you work, you know. See, next operation I go up and tell me so I can do it, see how you go on.
Watch you, no. I don't work them way there, you know. You see me might think different.
So you mean by that?
Hear me, I say. Can't work compatible if I know say eyes dey on me, you see me?
Yeah, me I say crumbs.
You know what you just call me?
Crumbs. Are they for deaf?
You kind of style like killer. By the way, what that mean?
It simple means there are crumbs they are bringing. So in time I bring in 3 or more phone, the name can change back to Asian.
Tell me something. What kind of phone they say you need the most?
Banga more, man. But them though, they're hard to forget.
So how much you need, sir?
6 more for now, you know.
So me ask you a question. What's so special about the Banga them?
Don't know the code about the Banga them already.
You only need 5 more to put the respect on the name.
So how you get this?
Don't worry yourself, man. You can check it if you want.
Yeah, we can start calling Asian again, man.
Watch your style. You can get the 5 by weekend. But just allow me make me do my work, you dig me? No work under pressure, father.
So yes, by weekend.
Yeah, man. How you talk about that, say, man?
Do that. So you can start get a decent piece of food.
That me a talk about, man. No, you're talking business.
Watch your style. I have to go know where you live, you know. Because we not too trust people, you know.
We?
Yeah, we.
What do you mean we? We who?
You see what I talk about? You ask so much question like you're police.
Well, I trust for trust, you know. Me not trust you either.
So what you mean by that?
Suppose I just use you, I use me forget the phone them and them kill me.
So how that stop me from bus said the first time I see you?
They did desperate to get a grabber and you see some could I help you.
You're full of chat though.
I may have actions can back my talk. Come can get the phone them where you want.
Alright. Get them 5 banger there. And then we have a next talk.
Sound like a plan.
Alright. Dirty. Yo, Asian. After the foot. Yo, bitter. Gram Sky 3 phone today, no? 200 and a banger. Look like we're gonna start calling me Asian now. No, I'm leaving. I'm gonna deal with it, man. But him a move suspicious, man. No worry, man. I'm gonna trail him one day, man. Alright. Just like a friend him, then make the move. Alright then. Welcome on.